breakfast wrap. So let's begin. So I have here 2 eggs and I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. And I'm going to add a dash of milk. I'm going to whisk this together. So I'm going to add some butter in a pan. I'm going to now add the omelette mix. Just going to allow this to cook on a low heat. I'm going to now add some cheese. Still on a low heat. I'm going to now add the tortilla wrap on top like this. Just going to allow the cheese to melt through. And to just flip this. So now I'm just going to transfer this on the plate. So I'm going to now roll this up. So here we go, our simple breakfast wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks guys for watching.